Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Extreme weather caused by climate change is making basic food products more expensive across the globe. That's according to a new study which was led by the Barcelona Supercomputer Center. Research found a wide range of goods saw dramatic spikes due to extreme weather conditions that went beyond, quote, all historical precedent prior to 2020, end quote. Previous studies have looked at how high temperatures have affected the long-term cost of food produce. This new research examined short-term price spikes around the world as a result of extreme heat, drought, or heavy precipitation between 2022 and 2024. Scotia Investments Jamaica Limited has earned international recognition, taking home the 2025 World Finance Pension Fund Award. The accolade places the company among the top pension fund managers in the Caribbean, following a decade of standout performance. As of 2024, Scotia's managed pension funds posted a 10-year average return of 9.31%, nearly doubling Jamaica's inflation rate of 4.78% for the same period. Head of Asset Management at Scotia Investments Jamaica, Marilyn James, says the award reinforces Scotia Investments' reputation as a trusted partner in retirement planning and a leader in the region's investment landscape. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 557 points today, while the junior market index decreased by 46 points. The winners were led by First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, One Great Studio, Kingston Wharves, JMMB Group, and Omni Industries. Losing stocks included Main Event Entertainment Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Pulse Investments, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC. 20 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.17. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.84. The pound is going for $215.05, while the euro is selling for an average $188.53. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.